make a puppet, but I'm just drawing, and then mommy just cut. And then this is dinosaur, and this is elephant, this is a fish, and this is another fish, and this is a cat, and this is Rod, and this is Dr. Man, and this is Molly, and this is Todd.
Justin drawing all? Drawing all this, Justin?
Yes. This is the pile, human pile, and this is the animal pile. And then let's get started.
Okay.
Good morning, kindergarten. Today is Tuesday, May 19, 2020. Miss Galena Chown, create a puppet. Do you remember the puppet? Remember your favorite animal. When I write, I want to make a good comic. Do you remember I show you the comic?
Yeah. So what's your favorite comic, Justin?
Tangs.
Tang is your favorite?
Yes.
Can you show again your puppet, the animal?
Yeah.
Can you put in here or put on the
Yeah.
table?
And there look like a comic that's like this, and then it's funny, but and this not it doesn't. And the joking is not that starry.
Mm-hmm.
And this is look like it's wearing
Can
a
you
mask,
put?
and
Mm-hmm. Can you put in
then
here?
it eats some fish, like nom nom nom. And I got hungry, and then
Can you show like this,
eat
Justin?
the fish in the water. And then nom and nom 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 nom. How many fish he eats? 189 billion. And then they're gonna say, hey, there's a dinosaur on the way. No. And bird, and then the elephant eat the dinosaur. No. And then the fish eat the dinosaur. No. And bird and eat it. No. And then a human eat a fish. Nom. And nom. And nom. And everybody's going, where is everybody? And touch this paper. It's wet. Wet.
Do you know why?
I don't know.
It's a glue.
Wet glue?
Yes.
Bye.